In this video, I will explain how to calculate a monthly mortgage payment. So let's jump right into an example. This says, Dave takes out a $300,000 mortgage loan with a 6% annual interest rate for a 30-year term. Find his monthly mortgage payment. So the formula that you can use to calculate a monthly mortgage payment is this big formula right here, which takes into account the loan amount, the annual interest rate, the number of payments per year, and the total number of years. So let's go ahead and calculate the monthly mortgage payment for this particular scenario. So down here, the first thing that we need to fill in is the loan amount, which we're told is $300,000. So let's type that in. Then we need to know the annual interest rate, which we're told is 6%. So we'll type 6%, hit enter. The number of payments per year. Now, typically, you make a mortgage payment once per month. In other words, 12 times per year. So for the payments per year, we'll type 12. Then for the number of years, we're told that this is a 30-year term loan, so we'll type 30 years for that. Now, here's the formula we can use to calculate the monthly mortgage payment. We can say equals, parentheses, we have P, so that's the loan amount, so that's this cell, times R divided by N, so the annual interest rate divided by the number of payments per year. So that would be this cell divided by this cell. Then we'll close our parentheses. And we'll close our parentheses one more time. So this is the entire numerator of the formula. Then we'll divide by, we have 1 minus, parentheses, 1 plus R over N. So again, the annual interest rate divided by the payments per year. So this cell divided by this cell, close the parentheses, raised to the power of, we have negative N times T. So let's put this in parentheses as well. So we have negative the number of payments per year. So this cell times T, the number of years. So this cell, and then we'll close the parentheses, and then we'll add one more parentheses to close out our denominator of the formula. So this is the entire formula that you can use to calculate the monthly mortgage payment. So let's hit enter, and we'll see that the monthly mortgage payment is $1,798.65. And I'll go ahead and highlight this just to make it obvious that this is the answer. But that is how you can calculate a monthly mortgage payment if you know the loan amount, the annual interest rate, the number of payments per year, and the total number of years.